Imagine a company that's quietly become a titan of American industry. A true benchmark in the world of investing, that company is Berkshire Hathaway. At its helm for decades has been the legendary Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. But what exactly is Berkshire Hathaway? It's not your typical company with a single product or service. Instead, Berkshire Hathaway is a multinational conglomerate holding company. Think of it like a massive umbrella or a holding company that owns a huge and incredibly diverse collection of businesses and investments. This diversification is its superpower, spanning a vast array of sectors. We're talking about critical areas like insurance, the bedrock of its early success, and massive players in energy, powering our cities and homes. Then there are railroads, the backbone of transportation, alongside significant operations in manufacturing and retail, touching our daily lives in countless ways. The unifying principle behind this sprawling empire is a relentless focus on long-term value creation. Berkshire Hathaway isn't about quick wins. It's about patiently building and nurturing businesses that stand the test of time. This commitment to lasting value, combined with its unique structure and Buffett's guiding hand, has cemented Berkshire Hathaway's status as a true powerhouse and a masterclass in value investing. It's a company built for the future, rooted in solid principles,